Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be working with buttercream, and I'm going to show you how to make this super cute buttercream cake using a cake comb, and also how to model a cute little hippo plus water ganache. There's a lot in this tutorial, guys, so we're going to start with the basics, which is filling our cake. So I have here a chocolate cake. These cakes are 2 inches high. I usually cut these in half, but this cake was for a giveaway, so I didn't cut it in half. I'm using a good old American buttercream, really simple. Just I take half of my powdered sugar and substitute it with cocoa powder, and that's how I make my chocolate buttercream. Yes, Peachy's here in the background. You know, she had to make an appearance for the video. She's very happy that I'm filming this video. Aren't you, Peachy?
Not sure going crazy.
I'm not editing this out, so it's one shot here, one take. Alright, so I am piping my buttercream onto my cake using a grass tip. This is a medium grass tip. I haven't been able to find it in the stores. I either find the huge one or the small one. I found this online a while back. If I can find where I got it from, I will put it in the description box below. But I like to put a lot of buttercream on my cake, and then I will use an offset spatula to kind of do an initial smooth. And then I'm using this scraper that I got. It's so cute. And I'm taking off a bulk of the buttercream. Now this step is not necessary because you could do this all with the special pleated buttercream comb I'm going to show you guys, which I will have a discount for you guys below. It's valid for the next 6 days, so jump on it. They're really amazing. But anyway, so I just take this, I heat up my metal scraper with my blowtorch. And then I'm just looking for an overall semi-smooth cake. I'm not trying to make this like perfect because again, we're going to go over this with another comb, and that's going to give us a really cool pleated look. Now these pleated combs are amazing. She has tons of different styles. So Esther, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. I really enjoyed this comb and I can't wait to try some new ones out. I will link all her information down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pleated comb, I'm going to heat it up with my blowtorch. If you don't have a blowtorch, you can put it in some very, very hot water. And the trick with these combs I've found is that 1 or 2 swipes is best. Don't really mess with it after that. If it's not perfect, it's not perfect. So I'm heating the comb up. And then I'm going to pass it. And already, like, right there, I'm like, I was in love with this comb. I was like, that's it. This is amazing. But I did have some empty spots. So I went over it one more time. And then that was it. I let it be. It was perfect. I popped this bad boy in the fridge so it could chill. And then I could work on my little hippos, which we're going to do next. So let's roll the footage to the hippos. Anytime now. Alright, so I'm going to be using some stone color from AmeriColor. They have a really cool line called 50 Shades of Gray, and I really love it. I'm also adding a little bit of tylose to this fondant. And first I'm going to make the belly by rolling a ball and then taking the palm of my hand and slanting down one end so it has a poochy little belly. And adding a little belly button with my Innovative Sugarworks tools. And then for the hands, I'm just rolling a snake. I'm pushing down one end so it will kind of look like it's coming out of the mud. And then adding little lines for the hands. Same thing with the feet. For the top of the head, I'm going to roll like a fat teardrop. But not make it super pointy at the end. And then I take my fingers and I give the indent for the eyes. If you guys want a more detailed, description on how I model these little fondant figures, let me know in the comments below. This was kind of just a fast version that I threw together for you guys, just so I can show you the whole process. And then for the nose, you just add 2 little holes, add the ears. I mean, those are pretty simple. And then for the hippo bum, you're going to make a ball, put a line down the middle for the hippo crack, and then a tail. So it's pretty easy. For the water ganache, I have melted chocolate. I'm adding hot water until I get the consistency I like. So there's no real recipe for this. It's how you like it. And then while the ganache is still wet, I'm going to go ahead and place our little hippopotamus in there. And then I will detail the eyes with some black edible art paint. And the cake's done. So it's a really fun and effective cake. I like cakes like this because it's buttercream. They're easy to make and you can really bang them out for a customer. So if you want to invest in one of those cake combs, I will again leave the information down below. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you for all the comments and the likes and sharing of the videos. And I look forward to creating more content for you guys. Bye.
Bye.